Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 screen brightness control not working issue. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand monitors. Right-click monitor, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is click and expand display adapters. Select your display adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. If same error still exits, try right-click adapter, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list. Select Display Adapter. Third method is click Start Settings, click Update and Security. Click Check for updates. Fourth and final method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click and expand display adapters. Find the name of display adapter. Type your display adapter name in browser search bar. Click the official website. Download latest updates driver. Open downloaded file. Click Finish to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.